In front of me is VIVO Y19s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening settings. Now scroll down to hit display and brightness. And when you're ready, use this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on this eye icon right next to your brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. To switch it off, tap on the same icon until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!